Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I had a very special request from Clarice in the Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, to teach her how to make little corners with the wire. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of different ways that you can do that. So what you're going to need for the wire bending are some needle nose pliers. These are flat and they have no teeth in them. I also bend the wire with some round nose pliers, and then you need cutters, of course. And I'm going to show you 3 different kinds of wire. This is just sort of a general craft wire from Michaels. I also often use artistic copper wire, which comes in different colors. These both are 20 gauge wire. And then I also use aluminum wire. So this is measured in millimeters. This is 1.2 millimeters, and this is 0.9 millimeters. So if your wire is a little crinkled, you can just rub it with a buffing cloth like that. And this one, it's red on one side. That's got a chemical cleaner on one side, and then the polishing cloth on the other side. You can buy those on Amazon. Just to show you the difference with these 3 wires, this is the craft wire from Michaels, which bends like it's sort of like a loose angle like that. And the copper too, it bends more at like a soft angle. Whereas the aluminum wire tends to bend at more of a sharper angle like that. And to bend it with the pliers, what you would do is the aluminum wire is quite a bit easier to bend a right angle. So you just hold the wire like that. And then what I'd like to do is just kind of bend it, like hold my hand fixed here and then just push this with that side. So you're holding with the pliers and you're pushing with your fingers the other part of the wire. So there you have a nice right angle. And then we'll try it with the craft wire. So it would be the same idea. You hold it with the pliers, okay, and then you bend it, push it with your thumb. Don't squeeze it too hard, you're going to break it, but you just push it, and then it makes a nice little right angle like that. And then the copper wire, we'll try that one. So same idea. We hold it with the pliers where you want the bend, and then you just push your thumb like really close to where the plier is, and you bend it like that, and that makes a nice right angle. I'm going to get a thicker wire. This is the 1.2 millimeter wire in the aluminum. And what I do sometimes is I make templates with just nails in a thing of wood. I think I've shown these before in some of my other tutorials. So I have an older one here that's just basically 4 nails on a wooden block. So what you would do is you would put the wire onto the block, and then you hold it with your thumb, and then you want to bend it here. So you're holding that, and then you're almost pulling the wire out and over. But the thing to make a sharp curve is you have to hop over this nail. So we're going to kind of hop over it without touching it. And then when you bend it back, it's made a nice angle. And then you just have to gradually wiggle it around and hold it down with your thumb. Same idea. Pull it out and pull and rotate. Jump over that wire, over that nail, and then back. Okay, and we're going to do it again. And then we're going to pull and rotate there and back. And then we want to do the other side too. So let's just get that one on top there. And the same idea. We're going to take this one, make sure it's stayed on the other nails, hold it down and over and back a bit. And then I put a nail sort of centered, well, a little off to the right side here, because we want to have like this part to be centered to make a little loop at the top. So I just push that up like that. And there we've made a nice kind of square, well, rectangle. And the angles are quite sharp. And then if you want to finish that off, to fill it in either with beads or other little shapes of wire, like you could put wire in it. It's always handy to have like a little rectangular shape that you can make a pendant out of. So we have our basic shape like that. Okay, and then for finishing off, we get our larger round pliers. Okay, and then we can just bend it to one side a bit, and then we'll do a loop. And then to put it on a pendant, you can put a jump ring and put it on a pendant, or if you want to turn this so it's perpendicular to the square, you can just put it directly on a string for a pendant. But sometimes it's nice to have a jump ring in case you want to take it off. So we just go like that, and there you have a nice frame made out of the metal. And then if you need to adjust it a bit, if it's warped a bit, you just adjust it. So there you go. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. If you have any other special requests for wire art tutorials, just let me know in the comments below. And be sure to join the Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, to share photos of your wire work and to be inspired by others. If you'd like to check out our Etsy shop, we sell custom wire art and jewelry and wedding cake toppers. So I'll link up my Etsy shop below, and we will see you the next time. Thanks for watching.